Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Anna and I do makeup, skincare, and multi-generational lifestyle family blogs on my channel. And for those of you who are turning, hey y'all, what's up? So today I am going to be reviewing one of my Juvia's Place palettes. I'm thinking I'm going to start a series on my channel, probably not a series, just like videos where I try to use all of my Juvia's Place palettes because I literally have all of them, but like a handful, and some of them I've played with before, some of them I haven't yet. So I was like, well, in order for me to use them, since we're still in this pandemic and I can't go anywhere, I should just utilize them on my channel. So that's what I'm going to do. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Wahala 2 palette here. And this one is gorgeous. I got this on super sale. They had like one of their like deals during Christmas, and I'm on their text list, so I was like, oh, this is like super cheap, so I grabbed it right away. But here's that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm going to be trying to recreate a look with that today. So if you want to see me use this Wahala 2 palette, then keep on watching, but please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so as I said in the intro, I'll be recreating a look with my Wahala 2 palette. As you guys can see, I have already done one eye, so I'll just let you guys see what that looks like. So I wanted to do an all green look, but I tried and it just didn't work out, so I had to incorporate in some blue on the end, but I really like how it turned out. So my idea at first was to use just this whole color story here of green, but I actually kind of went in with all of these here. So I'm just gonna kind of do like it's kind of a, not really a speed through, but I'm just gonna have the music playing. I'll probably do a little bit of a voiceover, but just have you guys watch so you can see how I recreated this look. So yeah, just keep on watching, and then at the end I'll kind of go through once full face is on and everything and give you my final thoughts. Alright guys, so I am back and this is the finished look. So I really like it a lot. So what I did on my lips, my brown lip liner broke, so I had to use my NYX matte lip liner crayon in the color Copenhagen, which is not what I was going for, but that's all I had. And then I used the Juvia's Place, oh, I don't know what they call these, the nudie lipsticks. This one is in the color Muted. It's like my favorite out of those for sure. It's just this really like nude color, so I used that on my lips, and then I just did my regular base stuff. You guys have seen that a bajillion times. But yeah, no lashes today. I was going to, but you guys, this Lash Princess is bomb. Like, it separates and makes these lashes look so good, so I didn't do that either. Overall, I like this palette, the Wahala 2. I think that you could create tons and tons of different looks with this. I know people had some problems because they thought that these were all like blues and stuff, but once you get it, none of these colors are the same, which is awesome. Like, I mean, literally you could do so many things with this. I will probably try to do something with the oranges. I've never done anything with orange eyeshadow before, and I know when I swatched this, it didn't swatch very well. But I figured I'll give it a go eventually. But yeah, really great palette. As you guys know, I love Juvia's Place, super affordable, so you really can't go wrong. But yeah, let me know what you think of this look down in the comments. You guys, I am trying to improve my makeup game, my eyeshadow game for sure. So if you have any tips or anything that you want to give me that you saw, like something I need to change with my application, or like color stories or something, just let me know down in the comments below, because I really do want to improve this as much as I can. But yeah, that's all that I'm gonna have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.